Over the past 5 years, John Deere has spent over $2.5 billion in investing in its US factories. John Deere employs over 30,000 people, distributed over 60 locations in 16 states. Additionally, our valued dealer network employs an additional 50,000 people distributed all over the country.
This year, we're seeing lower commodity prices and increased interest rates. And as a result, our customers are choosing to delay some of their purchases of their new equipment. The USDA just released predictions that in 2024, net farmer income would be down by 24% compared to 23. And this isn't just impacting John Deere, it's impacting the entire ag industry and our competition. With this climate, we've had to make some really difficult decisions. Those decisions include layoffs in our production facilities and also reducing our salary workforce. But we do know that in the future, this whole economic downturn will turn around. But in the meantime, we've got to make those tough business decisions to ensure long-term success for our customers and our business. And some of those are also, what are we going to do to optimize manufacturing, as well as making sure that we're preparing for this reduced demand as well.
This is a great example of the investment that we've made here in Waterloo as we've optimized our tractor operations facility to breathe a brand new home of our new high horsepower 9R vehicle assembly line. This tractor is critically important for US food production because it's equipped with high horsepower that our customers need, as well as the precision technology to help farmers do more with less. So making room for the new tractor assembly line within our operations required us to make a lot of changes to our manufacturing layout. This included the consolidation of material storage areas, the relocation of departments within our facility, and the transfer of work from this unit to other John Deere factories. The best example of that would be our cab module being transferred from here in Waterloo to our cab manufacturing facility in Mexico, where they've been working in support of other vehicle factories since the 1950s. Having a new vehicle assembly line here in Waterloo is highly critical for the future stability of our operation by one, ensuring that we have the aligned and consistent staffing, especially during years of high production, and two, ensuring that we have aligned capabilities and competencies across John Deere's global factory footprint. We rely heavily on our highly skilled US employees from our local communities to safely deliver quality tractors that are the best in the world. So when it's time to build cutting edge technology like this new 9RX, we built it right here in Waterloo.